health tip from a gastroenterologist. It's the season for a common cold. Looking for a scientifically backed natural remedy to help fight your symptoms? Look no further than your cupboard. Honey has been shown to be as effective as over-the-counter cough remedies for the common cold. In some instances, it's even been as effective as antibiotics themselves. It's been shown to have antimicrobial or bacterial killing properties, and it's readily available right in your supermarket. Keep in mind, you should never give honey to a child under 1 year of age because it contains botulinum, which most older kids can handle, but younger kids' immune systems do not tolerate that. Follow me for more gut health tips.